To check the length of dictionary, we will define a new variable and use the length function as we did in the our list case, and it will show us the length of our dictionary. We will specify our variable here. To run this, we will simply use now the length is showing as 2. How we can check for if specific key exists in our dictionary? If let's say in our case we have the key name and we want to check its existence in dictionary, then we specify on that particular syntax colon, and after that, if that case will be true, then it will show us the true response. We just mentioned for the existence, let's say if name in key, then we are showing this much. To run this, it's saying that name exists in the key. If we type this name one and run this again, and it will now did not print any message, it does not exist.